great idea! I told you it would work! It's just what we need!
Ava, your time's up!
Now this is how to cool down. I know!
Hurry up, it's my turn! Let's party!
Let's see. This looks like a good spot. It's perfect. Hey lady. Can I help you? Oh, right. Do you want to buy a magazine? No. This one has a really interesting article on… No! There's lots of pictures if that's what's worrying you. I have my phone. Why would I read a magazine? I see. So you don't want a magazine.
That was weird.
Ouch! Ugh, I have sand everywhere. Ugh, it tastes horrible. At least no one saw. Huh? My sandals are broken. That's just great. I can't wear these. Whatever, I'll buy new ones. Ow! Ouchie! Oh! Why is the sand so hot? Just pretend you're dancing. You still look good. It's actually burning my feet. Ow! Why does the beach hate me so much? I can't walk over the sand. What am I gonna do? Great, she's back. Can it get any worse? Wait a minute. Give me those! Hey! Fine. Take the money. Nice doing business with you. This is just what I need. I can use these magazines instead of sandals. I'll just put some tape across my feet. This will hold them in place. They're not fashionable, but they'll do. Now to work on my tan. That's it, girl. Work it. Huh? She knows she's supposed to read them, right? But that gives me another money-making idea. I need to get to work. What a great day! I spent too much, though. Oh, Betty, look, it's Liam! Liam, hey!
Hey!
Betty? Oh my gosh! You need to do something! Wait, I can't change in the street. I'll help! Are you kidding me? No! At least I tried. There must be something we can use. We can use this clothes bag. Great idea! I'll just step into it and change. You better be quick. Here, take these clothes. I feel like a magician.
Hey girls, it's great seeing you.
I know.
Do you want to grab a coffee?
Well done. Oh, I can sit here. I'll just unpack my things and work on my tan. What are you wearing? Seriously? Can't you find your own style? I bought this first. You know that. Whatever. It's not gonna ruin my day. This feels good. It's so warm. No way! Oh, you're so annoying. Oh, hello. Who's that? Things just got a lot better. Wait. Annie? But I saw him first! That's it! What's Betty doing? No! Time to do my thing. How does she walk in slow motion? A little flick of the hair. He won't be able to resist. Huh? Why isn't he looking at me? That's never happened before.
Hey, how's things?
I knew it! It's not funny! Watch and learn. This is how you do it. I'll go for a quick swim. Is he looking? Good.
Whoa!
Works every time.
Wow!
Why is it so cold? Oh my gosh! My top! I need to cover my shame! Don't worry. I don't think anyone saw that much. You just need to tie your bikini properly. Tie it at the back and then loop the straps around. Then tie it at the front. Just make sure it's nice and secure. Then, just tuck the straps in. Thanks so much! Besties? Now that's better! Nice! Do you want to get some food?
Looking good, ladies. Am I invited?
Ugh, no.
I didn't want to go anyway.
Woohoo! A day at the beach! Whoa! Look at that! Let's go for a swim! This is gonna be amazing! It's, colder than I thought it would be. Let's go! I can't wait to get in the water! Oh, that is so cold! What are you waiting for? You go ahead. Okay. Hey, Betty! Was that necessary? Got you! That was not cool. This is fun! Watch this shot! So you wanna play that game. Let's do this. Got it! Ouch! Oh, sorry. I need a rest. It's so warm. Let's have a drink. I really need this. I can't open the bottle! Come on! I'll use my teeth. Just don't tell my dentist. Ugh, I give up. What are you doing? How did you do that? Fine. I'll let you know my secret. Place the bottle on the sand. Then loop your shoelace around the cap. And pull it tight. Wow! That's really clever. That tastes good. Thanks, Betty. Oops. It was an accident. Wow, what a view! It's the perfect day for a hike. You know, this isn't so bad. Let's stop here. Betty? Where's your bag? Uh-oh! I'll be right back! This happens every time. Got it! Okay, I suppose it'll do. Let's get the things out. Hey, Betty. Can you help me? Sorry. I was admiring the view. We should start making the food. I've got the charcoal. And I've got my sunglasses. This'll be nice and refreshing. Oh, I look cute. The lighting is perfect. Betty? Have you got the food? Oh, right. I hope you like hot dogs. And the rest? The rest? That's it? What do you mean? The barbecue? Oh, about that. I can't fit this in my bag. Can you take this? You can count on me. I think we're ready to go. Ugh, this isn't fitting. I need room for my makeup. Wait for me! Oops. Oh, I should have known this would happen. But I have an idea. I just need these. I'll put the hot dog onto the skewer. There. Now we need to wait for the sun to cook them. It won't be long now. I don't think it's working. Wait a minute. I think I know how to fix this. I'll cut the watermelon in half. Then I'll scoop out the flesh. That tastes so good. Okay, I've got an empty watermelon. I'll place some aluminum foil inside. Then add some charcoal. I'll pierce the watermelon with a skewer. I need a few more. I need to make a grill. Now I'll put the hot dogs onto them. And wait for them to cook. That smells delicious. Here you go. Wow. This looks yummy. It was worth the wait. Oh, I know what we can cook. What's that? Just you wait. Huh? What do you think? Leave the cooking to me. What's your best outdoor hack? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.